now, there are small businesses quietly replacing hours of manual work with intelligent AI systems that never sleep, never forget, and never get overwhelmed. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build those exact kinds of AI systems for them without writing a single line of code. Not just chatbot, but real systems that can automate marketing, handle customer conversations, manage operations, and support decision-making inside a business automatically. Because here's why you should pay attention. Over the past year alone, AI adoption across businesses has accelerated rapidly, with nearly 80% of companies now integrating AI into at least one function, and close to 2/3 using it across multiple areas of their workflow. And because of this shift, businesses are actively investing in AI systems to automate marketing, provide 24/7 customer support, optimize operations, and reduce risks before they become costly problems. So imagine this. Instead of trading your time for money, you're building automated systems that handle customers, manage operations, and support businesses every single day. Today, I'm going to show you the exact way to do it. But I'm not here to tell you this is easy. There's effort that you need to put in. And that's the beauty of it. Money doesn't come easy, and it doesn't have to. You must give this the dedication and respect it deserves, and then it will come to you. So if you're someone who isn't willing to put in the work, this video is not for you. Let's get into it.
We also have a 90-day roadmap, but this isn't just a roadmap that you download and figure out alone. For 90 days, you are not doing this by yourself. You will be inside our school community with us and our team. We will walk with you step by step. If you get stuck, we help you fix it. If something breaks, we jump in. If you feel lost, we get you back on track. Your progress actually matters to us. We don't just give you information and disappear. We build with you. We troubleshoot with you. We push you when you need it. And we support you when things get hard. And here's the thing. We don't win unless you win. That's why we fully back you. Questions, strategy, technical issues, mindset dates, whatever it is, we are there. If you commit for 90 days, we commit with. Before you build anything, before you touch a single tool, before you try to make money with AI, you need to do this one thing. Pick apart. This is where 90% of beginners means they see automation, they see chatbots, they see AI agents, they see content generators, they see workflow system, they see SaaS ideas. And they think I will learn everything. No, that is the fastest way to burn out. You will open 20 tabs, watch 15 tutorials, understand 30% and feel really overwhelmed. And then finally you quit. AI is simple and you focus. It's chaos when you don't. So step one is clarity. You choose one category, not five. One. Let me show you what that could look like. Part one is chatbot and custom automation. This is for businesses that get repetitive questions. Restaurants, clinics, real estate agents, coaches. You build a system that answers FAQs, qualified leads, books appointments, works 24/7. That's it. You don't need to master everything. You need to learn how chatbot connects to AI and a booking system. That alone can be a service. Part 2 is lead generation and sales system. This is for businesses that struggle with leads come in but no one follow up. You build automated follow-ups, lead scoring systems, CRM integrations, AI-based qualification. You become the person who helps them close more deals. Again, one focus. And then, for example, part 3, workflow automation. This is back-end magic. For example, when a form is submitted, send email, create invoice, notify them. This saves businesses hours and time is saved and money is earned. Now, here's the most important part. After you've choose a path, you don't just randomly click around tools. You study the tools inside that category. Let's say you pick automation. You might explore automation platforms, AI integrations, basic CRM connections, webhooks, APIs. If you choose chatbots, you learn conversation flows, prompts, integrations, testing logic. You don't need to be technical. You need to understand input, process, and output. That's it. Think like a system build. Every business problem is just what goes in, what happens, what comes out. When you understand that, it becomes very simple. And please listen carefully here. Do not try to master 10 tools at once. Pick 2-3 tools that work together in your chosen path. Learn them properly. Build small demo projects. break them, fix them, and then experiment with them. That is how skills are formed, not by watching, by building. And once you feel comfortable in one path, only then do you expand. Focus creates confidence. Confidence creates skill. Skill creates income. And by the way, inside our free community, we have organized over 35 tools grouped by category with use cases and guidance. So you don't waste months trying to figure out what to learn next. You have picked your path. Where you build the foundation, because tools alone won't make you one structural. And this is where most people skip ahead. They learn button, they learn tricks, but they don't learn how to think. So let me show you the bigger picture. This is the 90-day AI build roadmap. Not to overwhelm you, but to show you the direction. In the first 30 days, this is where you master your tools. Not 20 tools, the 2-3 tools in your chosen path. You build small projects, you test things, you connect one thing to another, you break stuff, you fix it, you repeat. This is where confidence forms. You are not trying to get clients in. You are building skills. Because when the client asks, can you do this? You don't panic. You understand how systems work. This stage is all about repetition. Small builds, small wins, clear progress. From day 31 to day 60, now it gets serious. This is where most beginners never go. They can build something, but they don't know how to build it properly. So what does properly mean? 3 simple things: clarity, structure, and documentation. Let's break that down in simple words. Documentation means you write how much you build. That's it. What does the system do? What triggers it? What happens next? If something breaks, can someone understand it? If the client asks for changes, can you update it easily? Professionals document it, beginners don't. That's different. Design thinking. Before building anything, what problem am I solving? Not what cool AI thing can I build. Instead, ask what is the business losing right now? Time, money, leads. Then design bets. Simple. Always build around the prompt, not around the tool. Next is the cost saving mindset. This one is powerful. Businesses don't care about AI. They care about saving time and improve money, reducing mistakes. So when you build a system, ask how much time does this save them per week? Let's say it saves 10 hours a week. If the staff of course $20 per hour, that's $800 saved per month. Now your 1,500 system doesn't look expensive. It looks small. When you think like this, you stop being a tool user. You become a solutions provider. From day 61 to day 9, now you're not just building. You are turning skills into income. You choose a niche, maybe real estate, courses, clinics, e-commerce. You create one strong offer, not 10. 1. You learn how to talk to clients, how to price, how to explain value, how to browse properly. You build small reusable systems so you're not starting from zero every time. This is where money starts becoming consistent. Now listen carefully. This roadmap is not about rushing. It's about building layers. Skill, structure, income, and scale. If you skip skill, you struggle. If you skip structure, you break things. If you skip business thinking, you stay broke. All 4 matter. And the reason we built this roadmap is because most people don't fail from lack of motivation. They fail from lack of direction. So we keep it simple, no complicated word, no tech language, just clear steps. You don't need to be a genius. You just need consistency. That's it. Alright. Now you have a skill, you understand systems, you can build properly, you think in terms of saving businesses time and money. Now comes the real question, what do you do with it? Because skill without distribution is just a hobby. So in steps 3 we scale. And scaling doesn't mean complicated. It means choosing your path. There are 2 main paths, not 10. 2. Path 1 is solopreneur mode, fast income. If you want to start simple, you sell your skill. That's it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork are not crowded. They are marketplaces. And marketplaces reward clarity. Here's what most beginners miss out. They go there and write, I can do automation. That means nothing. Instead, you position clearly. For example, I build AI chatbots for real estate agents that qualify leads and book appointments automatically. Now that's specific. Or something like, I set up automated follow-up systems for coaches to increase booked call. That's clear. You're not selling AI, you are selling outcome. And remember what we talked about in step 2, cost saving mindset. If your system helps a coach close 2 extra clients per month, that could be thousands of dollars for them. Now your $1,000 service is more. This is how you think. Now let's talk about how to actually start practical. Don't create 10 gigs. Create one. Very specific and very clear one. Show what problem you solve, who is it for, what result they get. Then build small demo exam. Even fake demo scenarios are fine in the beginning. Show how a lead goes from phone AI follow-up to a booked call. People buy clarity, not complexity. Your first goal is not $10,000 per month. Your first goal is one client. One. Because one client builds confidence, experience, testimonials, and momentum. Then you raise your price. Then you refine your offer. Then you specialize deeper. Solopreneur mode is powerful because you keep everything, you learn fast, and you build proof. But it has a limit, that is your time. Which brings us to the part 2, building an empire. If you don't just want income, if you want leverage, then you document. This is where content comes in. Short form content, reels, shorts, TikToks. And no, you don't need to be an influencer. You need to be visible because attention creates trust and trust creates clients. Here's what most people think. I need to know everything before I post. No, you post your journey. You show small builds, before and after examples, mini tutorials, client wins, lessons you learn. You're not flexing, you are documenting. That is powerful. Imagine this, every day one short video. Here's a simple AI system that saves restaurants 5 hours a week. Here's how I automate a lead follow-ups for a coach. Here's a mistake beginners make when building chat. Over time, people start seeing you as the AI system person. Now, when someone needs automation, who do they think about? You. That's leverage. And here's the beauty. Content compounds. One Fiverr gig reaches whoever searches. One short video can reach thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions. And you can only need a few serious business orders from that. Now imagine the long term. You start solo, you get clients, you build system, you document everything, you grow an audience. Now you don't chase clients. Clients come to you. You increase your price, you partner with other builders, you build a small, remote team, you stop trading time for money, you sell packages, retainers, bigger project. That is scale. Now let me say something important. Scaling is not about doing both parts at once perfect. It's about starting where you are. If you need fast income, go marketplace, be specific, close client. If you want long-term leverage, start documenting early, even if nobody watches at first. Because the person who keeps showing up wins always. And remember this, skill gives you ability, distribution gives you power. If you combine both, they are dangerous in the market. Very few people know how to build, when fewer know how to market. If you learn both, you're about 95% ahead of people who are trying to make money with AI. This is where you stop being learner and start becoming a builder, and from there a business owner.